Welcome to Lily Toys. Guess the animals from their shadows in 3 seconds. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a jellyfish. Jellyfish are like the gentle, floating fairies of the sea. They're not actually fish, but they sure are fascinating. Jellyfish come in all sorts of colors and sizes, and they look like they're made of jelly, which is how they got their name. They don't have bones or brains, but they have special stinging tentacles to catch their food, like tiny shrimp and fish. If you ever spot a jellyfish in the water, it's important to admire them from a safe distance because their stings can be a little bit ouchy. But don't worry, most jellyfish are harmless and just drift along with the ocean currents, adding a touch of magic to the underwater world. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a mantis shrimp. Meet the amazing mantis shrimp, the ocean's rainbow warriors. Mantis shrimp come in vibrant colors like red, green, and blue, and they have powerful claws that can punch as fast as a speeding car. They use these claws to catch their favorite snacks, like crabs and even small fish. Mantis shrimp have incredible eyesight and can see colors and patterns that we can't even imagine. They live in burrows in the sandy ocean floor and are known for being fierce protectors of their homes. Even though they might be small, they are mighty and full of surprises, making them one of the coolest creatures in the sea. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a ray fish. Ray fish are like the magical carpets of the sea. These amazing creatures have flat bodies shaped like big, graceful wings. They come in various sizes and colors, from spotted to plain. Rays are experts at gliding gracefully through the ocean, just like birds in the sky. They love to bury themselves in the sandy seafloor, waiting for their favorite snacks like crabs and clams to pass by. Rays are friendly and gentle, and they don't have stingers like their cousins, the stingrays. If you ever go exploring in the ocean, keep your eyes open, and you might spot a ray fish gracefully swimming by, adding beauty to the underwater world. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a mackerel. Mackerel are the speedy swimmers of the sea. These fish are known for their sleek bodies and shiny scales. They love to zip through the ocean waters in big groups, just like a school of fish. Mackerel are carnivores, which means they enjoy feasting on other small fish, like sardines and anchovies. Their fast swimming and sharp senses make them great hunters. People like to catch and cook mackerel too, turning them into delicious meals like grilled fish or sushi. Mackerel are not only fun to watch in the ocean but also a tasty treat for seafood lovers. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a sea turtle. Sea turtles are incredible ocean adventurers. They are like ancient mariners who've been swimming in the seas for millions of years. These special turtles have hard shells that protect them, and they come in different colors, like green and loggerhead turtles. Sea turtles love to munch on yummy seagrass, jellyfish, and even some kinds of shellfish. What's amazing is that baby sea turtles hatch from eggs buried in the sand, and they have to make a brave journey to the ocean all on their own. Sea turtles travel thousands of miles across the ocean and are great travelers. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a king crab. King crabs are like the rulers of the cold ocean floors. These crabs are huge and have long, spiky legs that make them look like they're wearing armor. They come in shades of red and brown, and their claws are powerful enough to crack open shells and find tasty treats like clams and other crabs. King crabs live in icy waters, and they're excellent at scuttling along the seabed. People sometimes enjoy eating king crab legs because they're full of delicious, tender meat. These big, tough crabs might seem a bit scary, but they're an important part of the ocean's chilly kingdoms. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a shrimp. Shrimp are tiny, tasty treasures of the sea. These little creatures come in lots of colors, like pink, brown, and even see-through. They're like the mini superheroes of the ocean because they help clean up by eating tiny bits of leftover food and algae. Shrimp love to scuttle around on the sandy ocean floor, and they have a cool way of swimming backward by flicking their tails. People enjoy eating shrimp too, like in shrimp cocktails and pasta dishes. So, next time you see a shrimp, remember how they're like the ocean's little cleaners, always busy and important in the underwater world. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a herring. Herring are like the tiny dancers of the sea. These little fish swim in big schools and move together in graceful, synchronized patterns. They're shiny and silver, which helps them hide from bigger fish that might want to eat them. Herring love to eat tiny plankton, and they're an essential part of the ocean's food chain. People also enjoy eating herring, often pickled or smoked. These small fish are not only delicious but also an important part of the underwater world, making the ocean a more colorful and lively place.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.